Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to clean C drive in Windows 10. Cleaning the C drive in Windows 10 is simple. You just have to follow a few steps and it can be possible. So first you have to simply open up your PC and in the search bar you have to search for run because we have to run a command. Once you click onto it, this window will open. Here you have to write temp temp, and after that this file will open. Then you have to get all the data from there and just simply delete from your keyboard, and after that the files will get deleted. Then you have to get back and then you have to enter another command, which is percentage temp percentage. Then this folder will open and then you have to select all the files and press delete from your keyboard and delete all these files. After that you have to get back and run another command. This time you have to write prefetch. Once you write the prefetch, then another folder will open and there you will see some more files. But before you have to give it permissions. Then again select all the files by Ctrl A and press the delete. And after that the files will get deleted. After that you have to open recycle bin and delete all the files from recycle bin. You just have to press Ctrl A and delete from your keyboard and all the files will get deleted. And that's how you will be able to clean the C drive. Now your system will run fast and smooth. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.